Attention hardworking individuals. The following is a message for every hardworking individual who wants to earn their first $100 online, but is struggling to earn money online. Here's the biggest problem you face right now when it comes to making money online. It's knowing how to make money online. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Why? Because if you do not consistently take action, you will ultimately fail. Which means you won't be able to achieve your financial dreams. And worst of all, most hardworking individuals can't get past the idea that making money online feels impossible. But luckily for you, there's now a solution to your problem. Introducing Short Form Checklist. Short Form Checklist helps you to start earning money online with a proven process that leverages YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram to make money for you. Follow a step-by-step checklist of 5-minute videos that walks you down the path to earning the income you deserve. Leverage other people's products so that you can make money without the need to have a product of your own. Create reoccurring monthly leverage that pays you every month for work that you do once. Create a system that allows you to make sales and earn money all year long. And much, much more. By the way, right now you might be asking, who am I to help you with making money online? My name is Ryan Borden, and we help people just like you go from earning $0 monthly to earning a substantial amount of money online. Bottom line, Short Form Checklist will help you reach financial freedom through earning money online. Spend more time with family and friends instead of working all the time. Live and work anywhere there's an internet connection. Best of all, you can start seeing results almost immediately, and it costs less than the cost of a fancy dinner and a night out on the town. If you're a hardworking individual who wants to quit their day job once and for all, get on board with Short Form Checklist now. Act now before it's too late. Claim your copy by clicking the button below this video now.